marked. Taking, on this kit it calls for a 3/16 drill bit. So once you get all your holes marked, take your drill bit, drill your holes out for your bolts that go through the fender flares. Alright, so we've got the bolts and stuff in the fender flares. If you can look over there on that one, we've actually got that one on now. But what I want to go over is when you're putting these fender flares on, you want to start in the middle and then work your way off to the sides. It just seems to be easier. It seems to be able to you can flex the fender flare a little bit better and be able to line your holes up. So typically what I do is get it up here, get these first two right here started. Don't cinch them all the way down or tighten them all the way down. You just want to get maybe 2 or 3 threads holding it on there, and then just keep going around and keep working your bolts into the drill holes. So just the key thing is just tighten them down just enough to where it stays, and then just work your way out to the sides. All right, I also forgot to tell you guys about this. So in this kit, it comes with these bolts, then you slide the rubber washer over them. It's easier if you just hold on to the rubber washer and then actually tighten them down to where the washer goes all the way down. You have the threads exposed. It just makes it easier for when you're trying to line it up with the drill holes. Okay. All right, so we've got our first two started on here. Come up here and kind of see. So I've just got these two right here, probably about 2 or 3 threads put into the drill holes. So I'm going to work myself. I'm going to work this way, and then I'm going to work this way. So to just get it on there, just where it kind of holds it, and then that gives you enough play room to where you can actually line up the other holes. Just a little bit. This way. A couple on these right here, you may have to get someone else to kind of help hold it for you. Once you get them all kind of snugged in there a little bit, go back around, look at your molding, and make sure that it doesn't need to be pressed back on there. Looks like we're pretty good. Alright, so we'll actually finish tightening it up. The little trick is that if you can come up to the fender well, you can actually press up on this part and get that piece of molding to kind of, there it goes. Alright, let's finish tightening it up, and get back with you in just a second, show you the finished product. Okay, it's all done. We're going to show you the finished product from both sides. All around view. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, tell us what you like, what you didn't like, and we'll see you next time.